Introduction: Unlocking Team Success Online.
Online collaboration is essential for modern teams, but it's not without challenges. Missteps in digital communication can lead to wasted time, misunderstandings, and lower productivity. Let's explore the most common mistakes teams make when working together online and discover practical solutions to help your team work smarter and more efficiently.
Mistake 1: Poor communication and unclear expectations.
The unclear messages and mixed signals are a major pitfall in digital teamwork. Without in-person cues, it's easy for intentions to get lost. To avoid this, make sure to set clear roles, responsibilities, and deadlines in writing. Use concise language and summarize discussions regularly to ensure everyone is on the same page.
Mistake 2: Overuse of tools and frequent app switching.
Juggling too many collaboration tools can overwhelm your team and hurt efficiency. Too many platforms can scatter information or cause important updates to be missed. Instead, choose a small number of reliable tools and agree as a team how and when to use each one, keeping communication streamlined and easy to manage.
Mistake 3: Neglecting team culture and connection.
Remote work can make team members feel isolated or disconnected. Don't let digital barriers stop social connection. Schedule regular check-ins and virtual social events, and encourage casual chats. Building trust and rapport leads to better collaboration, increased engagement, and more creative teamwork.
Mistake 4: Skipping feedback and continuous improvement.
Teams that don't regularly seek feedback can fall into unproductive habits. Ask your team what's working and what isn't, then adjust workflows and guidelines based on input. Continuous improvement keeps the collaboration process fresh and effective for everyone involved.
Conclusion: Working together better.
Avoiding these common mistakes can transform your team's online collaboration. Focus on clear communication, minimize tool overload, nurture team culture, and foster continuous improvement. By actively addressing these areas, your team can boost its productivity and enjoy working together, even from afar.